Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Students Guide by SZ. This video will be on grammar portion which is for both grade 9 and 10. रचना के आधार पर वाक्य रूपांतर, वाक्य means sentence, और वाक्य भेद. आधार पर means depending on. A sentence has to be classified. You have to identify the sentence on the basis of classification. There are three types of sentence. Saral vakya, that is simple sentence. Sanyukt vakya, that is compound sentence. And Mishrit vakya, that is complex sentence. So the question will be, either you have to identify or change the sentence into particular classification. That's the grammar portion all about. So let's see the day. First one is Saral Vakya. Saral Vakya means simple sentence. The definition और परिभाषा. सरल वाक्य एक कर्ता तथा एक क्रिया के मेल से बनता है. इसमें कोई उपवाक्य जुड़ा नहीं होता है. Means it is a combination of one karta and one kriya. Let me make it simple. Kriya means verb, doing words or action words. In a sentence, there will be one doing words, that is words or an action, and a person who is doing that action or a thing from which the action is taking place will be one. We can say that there will be one subject and one verb. It will be more easy when you look for the example. Mohan khana kha raha hai. Mohan is karta from which the action is taking place. Eating, kha raha hai, is the action. Means Mohan is eating food. One subject and one verb. कछुआ जीत गया. Tortoise won the race. Tortoise means kachua. Okay, that is karta. And won, jeet gaya, that is kriya. So, one action taking place and one thing or the person doing that action. So, this is saral vakya. I hope I am clear now. Next is mishra vakya. Definition और परिभाषा. जिस वाक्य में एक से अधिक उपवाक्य जुड़े हो परंतु उनमें से एक प्रधान उपवाक्य हो तथा दूसरा आश्रित उपवाक्य हो उसे मिश्र वाक्य कहते हैं. There will be more than one sentence in mishra vakya. One half of the sentence will be pradhan, that is important one. The other will depending on the important one, the important part of the sentence. When there is a combination of a sentence, half the main one and other half depending on the other important one, it is known as mishra vakya. Both the sentence will join with these words which I am going to mention now. If you see these words in between, you can identify as mishra vakya. I call these words keywords, which will help you to identify mishra vakya. See, you can see the group. First word is ki. So, this group ki, kyunki, taki. So the ki means that. I said that. Kyunki, because, or that's why. The next is taki, so that. Okay, the next group you can see is ja. Here is the words which starts with ja. So, जो वो, जितना उतना, जैसा वैसा, jab, tab, jidhar, udhar, agar, and the next group is agar, yadi. These mean if. Okay, you will understand with the example. Don't worry if it's not clear right now. जब मैं घर से निकला तब वर्षा शुरू हो गई. If I say जब मैं घर से निकला, when I got out of my house. If I say and I stop there, is my sentence complete? Of course no. You'll be waiting me to complete that. Now if I say तब वर्षा शुरू हो गई, it started raining. So now my sentence is complete. So जब मैं घर से निकला, when I got out of my house is the main sentence, and तब वर्षा शुरू हो गई, it started raining, is the supportive or depending sentence, and both this sentence are joining. So now my sentence is complete. So it started raining. तब वर्षा शुरू हो गई is the depending sentence, and when I got out of my house, that is जब मैं घर से निकला, that is the important sentence. Both the sentences are joining with jab and tab. Now let's see the next example. जब शेर आया तब लोग भाग गए. If I say जब शेर आया, again you will wait for me to complete, means when lion came. You want to know what happened, right? And when lion came, people ran away. That is obvious. So that is the next part or the depending part, that log bhag gaye. People ran away. So jab sher aaya, when lion came is the important part, and log bhag gaye is the depending sentence. Both these sentences are joined with jab and tab. I hope I am being clear. For Mishra one, let's see one more example. जो परिश्रम करता है वह सफल होता है. जो परिश्रम करता है, whoever does hard work. If I stop here, my sentence is not complete. But if I say वह सफल होता है, will succeed, now my sentence is complete. So जो परिश्रम करता है, whoever does work hard, this is the main or important part of the sentence, and वो सफल होता है, will succeed, is the depending sentence, and both these sentences are joined with जो and वो. So now let's see the next classification. संयुक्त वाक्य, that is compound sentence. जिस वाक्य में दो या दो से अधिक उपवाक्य मिले हो परंतु सभी वाक्य प्रधान हो तो ऐसे वाक्यों को संयुक्त वाक्य कहते हैं. This is the definition of संयुक्त वाक्य. So there will be the combination of more than one सरल वाक्य, that is simple sentences. Now you might have confusion between Mishra and Sanyukt Vakya. Just focus here. Pay your attention. As I told you, in Mishra Vakya, half of the sentence will be Pradhan, that is important. One important one, okay, that is Pradhan. The next is dependent, Ashrit, that is depending sentence. Again here there will be more than one sentence, but all parts of the sentence will be important. Remember, all the parts of the sentence will be important. There will no part of the sentence will be depending on the previous or the next one. All are important. Let's see how do these simple sentences join here. Mishra Vakya, as I told you, which are the words join two or more sentences. Same way, in Sanyukt Vakya, there are few words that join the combination of sentences. They are, as I call them, keywords. And. For and you have in Hindi or, evam, tatha, va. Or, English or, okay. In Hindi you have for that ya, athwa. Therefore, in Hindi you have isliye, atha. But, the Hindi words for but is kintu, parantu, lekin, par. There are still few words such as fir bhi, nahi to. Fir bhi means then also, nahi to means otherwise. Now let's see the example. रीना को पत्रिका पढ़नी है इसलिए वो पुस्तकालय गई है. Reena wants to read book. If I stop there, of course, you may feel that now sentence is being completed. It is not necessary that the next part of the sentence is needed here. Unlike in Mishra Vakya you need the supportive sentence or the next part of the sentence. See, Reena को पत्रिका पढ़नी है. She wants to read the book. इसलिए पुस्तकालय गई है. Means that's the reason or that's why she went to library. Both the sentences are pradhan or important. One sentence is not depending on the other one. Okay, and there is one word which is joining both the sentences. Okay, and isliye means that's why. Okay, Reena को पत्रिका पढ़नी है. She wants to read the book. इसलिए पुस्तकालय गई है. That's why she went to library. Okay, these are the simple sentences. And it is not necessary to have the supporting sentences for that. But the another sentence, that is, इसलिए पुस्तकालय गई है, which is also pradhan, means important one. And not ashrit upvakya, that is depending one. So, here the word isliye, that's why, okay, comes in Sanyukt Vakya. So, you can easily identify as Sanyukt Vakya. Next example is Sabha समाप्त हुई और सब घर चले गए. Okay, so meeting got over and people went home. In this, both the sentences are important one, that is pradhan, and one sentence is not depending on the other. And the word or, that is and, is in between those both the sentences. The word or comes in Sanyukt Vakya, so you can easily identify as Sanyukt Vakya. Next example. वो घायल था फिर भी खेलता रहा. Though he was injured, he continued playing. See, as I said, there is no depending sentence. All the sentences are equally important. वो घायल था, he was injured. No supportive sentence is required here. There are two or more sentences are combining. All the parts of the sentences are equally important. There is no depending sentence over here. So we have their all the sentence have their own freedom. Okay, and fir bhi, then also, or though. This is the joining word which comes in Sanyukt. So this you can easily identify as Sanyukt sentence. Sanyukt Vakya. Okay. Now let's see the rules of Vakya Rupantar. What is Rupantar? Rupantar means changing the one form of sentence into another form of sentence. Okay, there are few rules which we have to follow. First rule is meaning should not change. While changing from one form of sentence to another, we should not change the meaning. Next, from Saral Vakya to Sanyukt Vakya and Mishra Vakya. Okay, we require minimum 2 simple sentences. Suppose we don't have that, then we have only one. So we have to divide or separate that one big sentence into two small simple sentences. For example, I have here वो बालक रो रो कर चुप हो गया means the child stopped crying. So we get two simple sentences from here. That is, one is वो बालक रोता रहा, the child was crying. The second one, वो चुप हो गया, he stopped crying. Now you can easily change these two simple sentences into Mishra or Sanyukt by adding the keywords accordingly. Let's see the next rule. Next rule, from संयुक्त वाक्य और मिश्र वाक्य to सरल वाक्य. To change from संयुक्त or मिश्र to सरल, first we have to remove the yojak, that is the joining word, or which I call keywords. For example, I have here घर जाओ और गृह कार्य पूरा करो. Now I will remove the joining words, that is or means and. Now I will get two sentences. घर जाओ, one, and next one will be गृह कार्य पूरा करो. गृह कार्य means homework. Go home and complete your homework. So now what happened? You will get घर जाओ one sentence and गृह कार्य पूरा करो next one. So if I change into सरल, it becomes घर जाकर गृह कार्य पूरा करो. घर जाओ becomes घर जाकर. Okay. Now let me explain you few more things. आया और becomes आकर means after coming. Same way with other verbs. खाया और means खाकर, that is after eating. गया और, now गया और doesn't becomes गाकर, it becomes जाकर. Okay, जाकर means after going. Now गाया और means गाकर, it becomes गाकर, and the meaning is after singing. So you got this point clear? So the sentence become घर जाकर गृह कार्य पूरा करो. The meaning is not changing here. Go home and do the homework. Now the next rule. Next rule is from Mishra Vakya to Sanyukt Vakya and vice versa. So again you have to separate the Mishra or Sanyukt sentence which is given into two small simple sentences. Then now you can easily change these sentences by adding the keywords accordingly, either by Mishra to Sanyukt or Sanyukt to Mishra. Okay, for here I have example, शेर दिखाई दिया और सब डर गए. This is संयुक्त sentence as you have or and in between. Okay, now I will separate into two simple sentences. शेर दिखाई दिया, one, सब डर गए, two. When they saw lion, they got scared. Now I will add jab and tab to make mishra sentence. So I will frame the sentence like this. जब शेर दिखाई दिया तब सब डर गए. Now we'll see the vice versa. जब शेर दिखाई दिया तब सब डर गए. I will remove जब and tab and add or, that is and. So now I will get again the संयुक्त sentence back. शेर दिखाई दिया और सब डर गए. So now the questions. These questions are from 10th grade board paper from 2019 set A. As there are many sets, these questions are from set A. So now you can pause the video and try to do it yourself. Later I will tell you the answer and how to get that. ओके, दिस इज द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इन द बोर्ड पेपर. ओके, नीचे लिखे वाक्यों में से किन्हीं 3 वाक्यों का रूपांतरण कीजिए. रूपांतरण कीजिए मीन्स वी हैव टू चेंज फ्रॉम वन फॉर्म ऑफ सेंटेंस टू द अनदर वन, means which is mentioned in the bracket. So the first question, वे हरदम किताबें खोलकर अध्ययन करते रहते हैं. This has to be changed into संयुक्त वाक्य. As this sentence is सरल वाक्य, so we have to separate this sentence into 2 small sentences. One will be वे हरदम किताबें खोलते हैं. He always open the book. अध्ययन करते हैं. He studies. This is the next one. He studies. And now they use the keyword and frame it again. So the answer is वे हरदम किताबें खोलते हैं और अध्ययन करते हैं. Now the next one. मैं सफल हुआ और कक्षा में प्रथम स्थान पर आया. We have to change into सरल वाक्य. It is given in the bracket. As this sentence is संयुक्त वाक्य and as we can see the keyword or means and. Now हुआ और becomes होकर. As already mentioned about these. So हुआ और becomes होकर. Then frame the sentence. You will get the answer. मैं सफल होकर कक्षा में प्रथम आया. I got the success and came first in the class. Next question. एक बार बिल्ली ने उचक कर 2 में से 1 अंडा तोड़ दिया. And we have to change into मिश्र वाक्य. So, as this is a big simple सरल sentence, सरल वाक्य, सरल sentence, so we have to separate into 2 small simple sentence. Okay, सरल वाक्य. So first will be एक बार बिल्ली उचकी. 1. Second will be 2 में से 1 अंडा तोड़ दिया. As the cat jumped once, it broke an egg out of 2. For Mishra, you will use जैसे and वैसे, the keywords, okay? Then frame it again. You will get the answer. जैसे ही बिल्ली एक बार उचकी, वैसे ही 2 में से 1 अंडा तोड़ दिया. This is one. And another one you will get. जैसे ही बिल्ली एक बार उचकी, वैसे ही 2 में से 1 अंडा टूट गया. Both are correct. Okay, the next one. वो 6 मंजिली इमारत की छत थी जिस पर एक पूर्ण कुटी बनी थी. We have to change into सरल वाक्य. See the word वो and जिस. So this is मिश्र वाक्य. So remove वो and जिस and then frame the sentence. You will get 6 मंजिली इमारत की छत पर एक पर्णकुटी बनी हुई थी. I repeat, 6 मंजिली इमारत की छत पर एक पर्णकुटी बनी हुई थी. This was the end of the set A. I will continue questions from set B in next video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Click bell icon for my new updates. Best of luck for your exam. Take care. Bye.